Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can stop Microsoft Teams from opening automatically when your computer starts. By the way, this will work either on your desktop or your application. So it really depends on the device that you are using. So what you will do once you're on your Teams, you'll just have to either click your profile icon or click settings directly, and then click settings. And once you're here, you will have to look for the application feature. So by the way, this is only visible uh for the application one. So what you will have to do after you click application, you will uncheck auto start application, and then basically you will just have to close Teams and restart your computer to confirm that it no longer opens automatically. And that's basically just it. And by the way, you can also manage your startups in your Windows Task Manager, which you can do right here, and then click Task Manager, and then you will just have to go to the startup tab if it is available for you, which is right here. And then what you will do is you will just have to um click Teams if it is visible for you. And then yeah, that's basically just it, and then you will just have to do the same thing. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.